Hi, I'm Fernando and I'm the architect and co-founder of Urbanjan.
Hi, I'm Israel. I'm the architect and co-founder of Urbanjan.
This competition has given us the opportunity to reflect on key aspects of collective housing, which are how to create diversity, how to make the most of industrialization, and how to provide high-quality accommodation within an economic budget. The advantages of industrialization are the manufacturing speed, the cost optimization, the technical accuracy and control, and the speed of on-site construction. However, very often the use of industrialization results in monotonous and repetitive final product, which makes it difficult for residents to engage with their new built environment. Losing this attachment often leads to the quick degeneration of residential areas, as it was the result in post-war developments where communities completely lost their sense of belonging.
With our proposal, we combine these two aspects of mass housing, the advantages of industrialization and providing personalized solutions that create a sense of identity. These questions are not new, but have been the center of the discussion on housing during the 20th century. The importance of the final user engagement was largely studied by John Bracken in the 60s. The Dutch architect published his book Supports, an Alternative to Mass Housing, as a reaction to the homogeneous and repetitive post-war housing developments. The main points in Bracken's theory were the separation of an everlasting infrastructural system, support, from that which can be transformable, the infill components, introducing the user as participant in the design process. During the second half of the last century, these ideas have been tested, but only in isolated housing experiments.
Based on this theoretical background, our proposal offers an industrialized system at a large scale which addresses social issues by involving the end user in the design process. The future resident is given the possibility of choice based on a catalog of facade and servicing components. The future appearance of entire neighborhoods will be defined by the residents' choices, empowering the sense of identity and belonging. This catalog of components also takes into consideration the following: environmental conditions like orientation or climatology of the site, the internal functional requirements, user preferences, and budget. The buildings are organized using a 3.2 grid which forms the support structure, and within it standardized plug-in pods, which are the bathrooms and kitchens, are simply slid at the rear of the frame, and the facade components are hung at the front from the slab edge. These are made of precast concrete, an integral solution including insulation and external cladding. This creates an arrangement based on functional bands, the service zone, the living area, and the active facade, which allows the optimization of the dwellings and a good use of the space.
The gallery building is composed of a vertical communication core in the center and an access deck. The flats are added next and on top of each other, with the larger units arranged in two levels, enjoying dual aspect and cross ventilation. The tower is put together using a 5-module cluster placed around a vertical core, which allows for the inclusion of all apartment sizes. The cluster arrangement maximizes the efficiency by reducing the circulation and giving most units a corner condition. The section block is arranged by mirroring the layouts across the communal corridor. In this case, the larger units are located on both ends of the corridor to provide them with dual aspect and cross ventilation. Overall, the proposal aims to offer high-quality apartments conceived from a simple and flexible design system. The space planning solutions adopted make possible to achieve efficient layouts suitable for different households and users. The technical devices proposed give the scheme a great capacity of adaptation and customization, optimize energy resources, and favor the economic viability of the development.